A lot of people have been asking me, what am I doing now? What happens now since the referendum? Well, until Britain and Wales, of course, leaves the European Union, I'm still here as your representative, as a voice for Wales in the European Parliament, doing the work that I did before. For example, in Strasbourg this week, we've been talking about and voting on the budget, on nuclear weapons, on the refugee crisis, on young people, on lots of things that affect Wales so directly. And so it's important that we have a strong voice here still. But of course, I'm also looking to the future, and I'll be doing everything that I can to get the best possible deal for Wales when we do leave the EU. Because what we need is the ability to strengthen our economy, to create more jobs, to improve the countryside and rural areas, all of the things that are a priority for us in Plaid Cymru, and I'm sure for you too. And that's why I'll still be travelling around Wales, meeting groups, meeting networks, meeting individuals. If anyone would like to have a meeting to discuss any of the issues that face us now, because it's more important than ever at this point in time that we all work together, that we create a strong network, that we prepare for a better future for Wales.